Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove and unblock email addresses from block list in Hotmail. Let's begin. First, open your browser and go to the Outlook login page. Once you've successfully logged in, I want you to go ahead and click on your settings over here. It should be the gear icon at the top right of your screen. This will open your settings panel. Okay? Under here, I want you to look for block senders and domains. Okay. So you would like to go to the junk email over here and you will see that option. So here we have block senders and domains. Find the email address you want to unblock. It should be listed over here. Okay. Click on it, then select remove. This ensures future emails from that sender go directly to your inbox. And that's it. You've successfully unblocked an email address on Hotmail. I hope you found this video very helpful.